This avian influenza spreads through contact with infected animals, dirty equipment, visitors, contaminated feed or water. And to prevent this avian influenza, do not allow any visitor on your farm. Do not allow any visitor on your farm. Wash and disinfect regularly. Get your chicks from trusted hatcheries. Do not also forget to contact the veterinary services or extension officers immediately. In everything, remember, prevention is cheaper than losing your whole farm and business to an outbreak. Let's protect our animals and our businesses now. Thank you. I'm Etanam Biasa, your vet. Love you all.